Hi, welcome to North Carroll, and today we are going to make some crafts that help you get ready for Christmas and make Christmas presents for others. So let's get started and I'll tell you what you need. We're going to make some decorative candle votives today. So you'll need your votive glasses, and eventually you'll need a candle, or I have the little electric ones that run off battery. We're going to be using all different kinds of materials, so whatever you can find at home is good. I'm going to use some tissue paper and some glue, and I have some paint brushes to put that on. And then I'm going to make another different kind that uses some glass beads that I had around the house. These are the ones that go in the bottom of your fish tank if you have pretty glass beads. That's where you'll usually find them in a pet store or the dollar store. And I'm going to use a hot glue gun to put those on that decorative votive candle holder. So let's get started with this one. To make it look like a stained glass effect, I just cut my tissue paper into different shapes, and I added some water to my glue so it's kind of runny. And I'm going to use this type of paintbrush. So you just want to dip that in there and paint that on your votive candle glass. And then add your tissue paper and make whatever design you would like. And once you go around and you get your glass filled up with tissue paper, let me put a couple more on here just as a sample. You're going to let that dry just a little bit, and you're going to go back over the complete votive glass just with another layer of the glue and water mixture, and that will seal it on your votive glass. That's after you have the whole thing covered with your tissue paper. For those of you that like to use Mod Podge, if you don't want to use the glue mixture, you can use Mod Podge, and that'll just give your votive an extra little shiny finish. So that will end up looking like this, and that's using tissue paper. But like I said, you can use anything you have. You can use paint, beads, stones, seashells, you name it. So here's the one that I did with the glass beads, and these are heavy, so you need to use special glue. If you have craft glue, you can use that, or I have a hot glue gun. So you just want to take your time and use just small dots of hot glue, and then take your glass beads one at a time and put on your votive glass and make whatever kind of pattern you'd like for that too. Put a few on here just to show you. I also had some pretty glass beads that I wanted to use, so you can use those, put those on. For Christmas, make a red and white pattern. So you want to make sure that you're letting these dry. Just let them sit for a day. And then when you get your glass beads all around your votive, you can see how pretty it looks. I finished that off with a Christmas ribbon that I had at home, but they turn out really nice. Then you can put your candle inside and use that as a gift for family and friends. So thank you for joining me at the North Carroll branch today.